How to make money in the metaverse. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make money in metaverse. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering that metaverse is getting popular day by day. It's getting famous and everybody is talking about metaverse and crypto and NFTs. And we know that metaverse is actually a digital reality that has been created and we can play games in it. We can go there and we can enjoy our time. There are a lot of opportunities with it because, of course, whenever something new is introduced to the world, there are a lot of opportunities that come with it. So we have metaverses now, and there is so much we can do in the metaverse. There are a lot of opportunity to make money as well. So today, that's what I will be showing you. If you're new to metaverse, if you're new to everything, I'll give you a beginner's tutorial on how to make money in metaverse and what are the different ways you should be looking to invest in. So that being said, let's jump into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to check out one of the metaverses. So right now I am on sandbox.com. Sandbox is a metaverse that is created to create games and play games, but you can go there and you can create your own space, you can create your own games, and it's one of the very famous metaverses out there. It gained popularity recently and now everybody is buying land in Sandbox. You will be able to actually see what metaverse is all about. So in a metaverse, everything is digital. You might have played Roblox, right? So it's kind of like similar to that, but it's on a bigger level. So we have right here our own marketplace in Sandbox. So every asset in the metaverse, they're going to be clothes, people, trees, houses, glasses, everything is NFT, a non-fungible token. So we can actually buy these NFTs, sell these NFTs. The shops that are being created in the metaverse, they are NFT and we can actually buy and sell them. So the first thing to make money on metaverse, the easiest way I would say to get into metaverse is by selling and buying NFTs. So if you know about NFT is a non-fungible token and we can actually create our NFT art and we can sell them for millions of dollars. They are actually, NFT is minted on a certain blockchain, Ethereum, Solana. Then we have our own different blockchains, many of them. So you can go with any of these, Polygon maybe. So Ethereum is one of the very famous blockchain that a lot of people go for when it comes to NFT. I am right now on an NFT marketplace, which is OpenSea.io. So people like me who are very new and who want to actually get into metaverse, but they don't have that much money to invest. So what we do is we use our art. So what we can do is we can actually create NFT collection and these NFTs are actually used in the metaverse. So that is how you can actually create more and more NFTs and make more and more money. So each of the NFT is actually sold for millions of dollars. Let me actually give you an example. For example, we can go with Mutant Ape Yacht Club. So I'm going to open up this NFT collection, one of the very famous NFT collection out there. Now, these are the different NFTs that I have actually seen in the metaverse. I actually saw these when I was playing Sandbox in one of the places, and even our 3D NFTs are actually used most of the time. Our 3D NFTs, this is like an art. You will see it as an art, but if you want to even go with 3D NFTs, they are actually there. For example, Cyberkong. I once saw 3D Cyberkong in the metaverse. So what happens is, now I'm just giving you an example of how much you can sell an NFT for. If your art is good, then you can sell it for hundreds of Ethereum. So you can see right here, these ones are really expensive. Okay, check this one out. This one is very expensive. So this one is like $3 trillion. That's insane. Just check out the amount, the numbers. It looks like a card number, to be honest. And you can see this is the price for this NFT right here. And this is actually crazy how expensive this NFT is. Let me give you a very reasonable example. And okay, let's go with maybe this one right here. This one is 15,000 Ethereum. So 15,000 Ethereum is actually $18 million. So you can see this art, it's just an art that is being sold for 18 million. So this is how crazy it is, and you can create NFTs and sell them and make money in the metaverse. Now this was the easiest way. Now another way to make money in the metaverse is going to be investing in the metaverse tokens. Now metaverse is works on different blockchains, and each metaverse has its own tokens that are being used in the metaverse, the money, you can say. So like each country has its own money, similarly metaverse also has its own token and money. For example, Sandbox has sand, Decentraland has mana, ApeCoin has apes. Then we have Engine Coin has ENJ. So if you just scroll down, each of the different metaverses, each of the different games, each of the different coming projects have their own tokens. So what's the best way to invest? Investing in the base of the metaverse. So the more money metaverse will be making as a whole, you will be making money too, because you actually invested in the token of metaverse, the money that is being used there. So this is actually a really good way to make money through a metaverse. So you just invest. This will involve, of course, investment, but it will give you double the money you invested. So this is actually a really good way to actually make money with metaverse by investing in the metaverse token. Another way to make money in metaverse is going to be selling and buying land. So what happens is, because metaverse, as I told you, is its own land, it's a digital world that has been created, so it has its own lands. Let's talk about Sandbox. So on Sandbox, it has its own map that we can check even on the website. So map has different lands for us that we can buy and sell. So this is actually our whole metaverse map given here on the website, and we will be able to actually buy and sell land. And the land is being sold on the website as well, and then we can find it on Sandbox. As I told you, the land is NFT. So you can go to Sandbox collection, and you can see this is the land right here. Now, how we make money in metaverse? The land right now in Sandbox is expensive, but not that much. Right now, the market is pretty low at the time of making this video. So what I can do is I can actually find a land in the metaverse for 2 Ethereum on Polygon. So that's like, if we check out this land right here, let's go ahead and check out the price for this one. So I can actually buy a land in the metaverse for just $2,000. This piece of land will be mine. Now hear me out. After some months, or even a year, when people will be looking for land and there will be no land anymore in the metaverse, when a big company will want a land here, I will have this land, which I bought for $2,000. And then maybe the market will be really high. So I can sell this land for $2 million if I want. So that is how crazy this is. And I can actually really do that. Like, it's not a thing to say, that really happens, and that's what we do. And that's what a lot of people are doing now. So you can buy a land in the metaverse. This is going to be a really good investment, and you will be able to make money by selling land. A lot of different big names want land, and they actually go for bigger lands as well. And maybe they would want your land. You can buy the land right here with OpenSea with your wallet. So this is another way you can make money through your own metaverse. You can see a lot of people are buying land, and then of course I can create a game on my land, I can create a restaurant, I can create a shop within a metaverse, and people will be visiting it. I can actually charge for it, I can add subscriptions. So I will be actually making a lot of money in the metaverse by just buying a land for maybe $2,000 or $1,000. So yeah guys, this is how you can make money in the metaverse. Getting started with the metaverse is also really easy. You just need a crypto wallet. You can go with the MetaMask, and it will allow you to buy, sell your lands, to buy, sell NFTs, and you will be able to be a part of metaverse. And then a lot of opportunities will come your way, and you will be able to invest and make thousands to millions of dollars in metaverse. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.